It's like we've got the whole place to ourselves. Really quiet. I wonder if my train's ace. Isn't it good? Oh, hi, Jules.
It's my birthday.
Yeah. In case anyone didn't know, it's Rupert's birthday today.
What are you talking about, me?
He's wearing this stupid badge. It'll fall off. Oh no! We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people and I'm on the stand. I'm only kidding. That's a nice ride. We're going to go on Jewel in a bit. Aren't we? We're going to go on Jewel in a bit.
Yeah.
Head over to Nemesis while it's quiet. I think it's going to be a walk on the way it looks. The weather, it's rained every day, but at the moment it's alright.
It's been snowing though.
It's been what?
Snowing.
It has. It's been snowing this morning, but it has stopped. Praying the weather stays good. And there's only now 2 people remaining in front of us. There is no other public in this. Watch this now. That backfired. We were in the queue, turned up again, just like Wickerman, and the ride's gone down. So I'm going to abandon that plan and we'll go back in a bit. Way back to some sort of civilization. Yeah.
That was on his period, everyone.
There's a problem occurring. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people approaching. Keep your head down, don't look, make eye contact, keep walking, everything will be fine, won't it? Even made voice contact. Let's try and get past.
I can't not say thank you.
Yeah, they're all there, it's fine. Everything's alright again. Can you hear something?
Oh, there's the statues!
Oh yeah, the haunted statues.
I could go on those statues. I'm ugly enough.
minute he went.
Great, isn't it? It's right. Absolutely nuts.
Gonna go in the queue.
On the Smiler. Mental ride. Absolutely mental. There's the beautiful Alton Castle. Having a good day?
Yeah.
Lots of people about. It's now freaky sort of tree lit spinny ride. I can still never figure out what the hell happens. But it is a cool ride. So I'm going to check that out. So great striker look. We were just having our lunch, checked the ride times, 13 went down, rechecked it, and look, we're on no minutes, 13, let's go. So we're just sat here waiting because Galactica, surprise, surprise, broke down again. Wickerman is still broke, now Galactica's broke. So I'm just waiting for them to come up and then we're going to try something else. It's the second time today now we've tried to go on Galactica and it's failed. So we're just sat here waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting.
We still
and
can't
waiting.
see them coming off.
No, everyone else is coming off but we can't see them.
What if they're staying on? I just told them.
No, I think they're coming off. I think they're coming off now. So we'll just wait a bit longer. Why would it do it? So now we're just legging it over to this. We're just running over. We've got 13 and Spinball Wizard to do.
You look like a widow doing that.
We've done Wickerman twice.
I'll run back to Wickerman first.
We've done Blade twice.
Rita.
Nemesis twice.
We've tried to get on Galactica twice.
Yeah, we've been to Galactica and broke twice. Wickerman broke twice.
Three times.
Managed to get on it. We've been on Smiler.
How are you going? You smell yourself.
Now we're just legging it over there. So we have 50 minutes left. We're trying to bang in these next few rides. So we've got
we're on 13
now. Then we're going to leg it over to Spinball Wizard and then try and leg it over to Wickerman before 5 o'clock. Time's ticking. We're doing all right. Let's go.
Tick, tick, tick. 1:45.
It's now.
We have 15 minutes to get there.
15 minutes left. Last ride of the day. Alton Towers. Bye, Wickerman. Hi, Harry Hat.
You want to see his toilet?
Yeah, Alicia needs a toilet. Again. We'll walk to the car. There's the car over there. Hi, car. Say hi, car.
Hi. And open the car.
Yeah, the only ones left. What a great day.